I said, man, something in my house is wrong. What goddamn thing? I said, the thing that makes the water hot. He said, the hot water heater. I say, if that's the technical name of it. What's wrong with it? I said, it's not blue at the bottom like it normally is. He said, because the pilot's out, you're gonna have to light the pilot. I said, no. I ain't light no pilot. Why would I light a pilot? He said, why you can't light the pilot? I said, because I read the directions. He said, that don't make no goddamn sense. If you read directions, why you can't light the pilot? I said, you don't understand. On the directions, it said, boom, boom, explode, and there's a man on there running with fire. Coming from his body. How did that happen?